In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and organize notes in Notion. We'll go through a simple workflow you can use to keep your notes clear, searchable, and easy to maintain over time. Whether you're capturing ideas, meeting notes, study material, or project details, the goal is to build a note-taking system that stays useful long after you first type something in. To begin, create a new page in Notion, or if you prefer a more structured setup, create a notes database. A single page works well if you just want to start quickly and keep things simple. A database is helpful if you plan to collect many notes and sort, filter, or group them later. Both options are effective, so choose the one that matches how you like to work. Once the page or database entry is ready, add a clear title for the note. This is more important than it may seem because a specific title makes it much easier to find the note again later. Try to name it based on the topic, purpose, or event, so at a glance, you can understand what the note contains without opening it. Next, type your notes using text blocks. This is the core of your note, so focus on getting your ideas down in a readable way. Keep your writing organized into short sections instead of large walls of text. That makes the note easier to scan, especially when you come back to it days or weeks later. After that, use Notion's formatting tools to make the content more structured. Headings can separate major sections, bullet points can break information into smaller items, toggles can hide supporting details until you need them, and callouts can highlight something important. Good formatting doesn't just make notes look better, it makes them easier to understand and review. You can also add tags to organize notes by topic. Tags are useful when you want to group similar notes together without moving them into separate folders or pages. For example, you might tag notes by subject, project, status, or theme. Keeping tags consistent will help your system stay clean and useful over time. If needed, link related notes together. This is a great way to connect ideas, references, or ongoing work. Linking helps turn separate notes into a more connected knowledge base, which is one of the biggest advantages of using Notion. Finally, review and update your notes regularly. A note is most valuable when it stays current. Clean up outdated information, add missing details, and refine formatting as needed. With that habit, your Notion notes will stay organized, practical, and easy to use.